you websites here you have never seen before, but you can actually get paid big time from either of them by doing nothing more than answering simple questions online. That's it. No hard work is involved. You don't have to invest hours and hours into this to get paid a small amount of money. And most importantly of all, this is a 100% free strategy and requires no investments of any sorts. So, if you need some money right now and you want to get paid without doing any hard work or anything that will take too long, then this is the perfect video for you and you ought to keep watching. With all of that said and done, let's now get right into this video. As you have all heard before, today I will show you platforms that will pay you for just answering questions, which is, of course, incredibly easy to do, making this a perfect strategy for some of you who have never made a dime online, since this isn't complicated whatsoever. It's pretty straightforward. Before we go on, though, here's a big clarification. Don't expect some insanely big amounts of money from this strategy. If it's an easy way to get paid online, then it's deemed not to be very worthwhile in the long run. But despite that, I would still recommend trying out the sites I will show you, since after all, they will pay you decently, and the money will for sure have some sort of positive impact on your life. The first site I have for you guys is this one right here, called OpinionOutpost.com. As the name of this site suggests, you can come on here and literally get paid for your opinion, as is said right here. Earn rocking rewards by taking surveys in your spare time. Now, before some of you freak out, these aren't your regular surveys. Some surveys are without a doubt boring and just all around bad, but the surveys this site offers are actually pretty good and will be fun for you guys to complete, unlike surveys on most other platforms. Before we go on with this site though, what I have to show you are the reviews. They prove more than I can that the site we are talking about is 100% legit, and this platform definitely is. That we can see thanks to Trustpilot.com. Opinion Outpost, as you can see, has had over 3,500 reviews thus far with a rating of 4.3 stars, which is excellent to say the least. By scrolling down a bit, you'll see more details on the actual reviews, such as how many people rated the site as excellent, great, and so on. In total, only 13% rated it as either bad or poor, which means that for 87% of people who tried out the site, they loved it, meaning that the vast majority of you watching this will love it too. And most importantly of all, thanks to the sheer number of reviews, it's safe to say that Opinion Outpost is not a scam website and will actually pay you for real instead of scamming you. Anyhow, on this page here, you can get more details on this platform. The first thing you see at the top of the page here is that Opinion Outpost is a market research website that rewards people for sharing their opinion, something we already know, of course. Down here you can see all that you will need to do so you will get paid step by step. You will first complete a short survey that will earn you points. When you accumulate enough of those points, you will then be able to redeem them for various prizes, which range from a bunch of gift cards to PayPal. So yes, this site does pay via PayPal, and I will show you that in a second. Note, guys, that it says here short surveys, so not those classic long surveys you see on most other sites. This is a really great addition because it means you don't have to invest a lot of time to get paid. Say you don't have that much time at the moment. While that would be a problem with other similar sites because it takes a while to complete the surveys, but that simply is not the case here. You'll be able to complete a survey in a relatively short amount of time. Furthermore, another benefit of having shorter surveys is that they don't get boring as fast as the long ones. Completing 5 short surveys will be more entertaining than completing 2 or 3 longer ones, especially since this platform offers higher quality surveys than most of those other sites. As far as payment is concerned, this platform has no shortage of options for you guys. Just check out all of these gift cards they have to offer. You have Nike, Apple gift card, Amazon, and so much more. But the vast majority of you will probably be interested in PayPal. So, as you can see, this site does indeed pay in PayPal. So if some of you aren't interested in gift cards, and I know the vast majority of you aren't, you can get paid in cash via this platform. So you can start making money by answering questions. All you need to do is click on the Join button in the upper right corner here. On the next page, you will have to enter in all of this info about yourself, starting with your email address. Just below, you will have to enter in your full name, zip code, age, gender. You then need to type in your password. Complete this CAPTCHA by clicking on I'm not a robot, tick these 2 boxes here, and finally click on Get Started Free so you can start making money online with this platform. The next site I have for you guys that you can also use to make big money online is this one here called helpful.com. I'm almost certain the vast majority of you have not heard of this site, which is a shame since it really is a fantastic platform. First off though, since most of you don't know what this is, let me elaborate. Helpful is, in essence, a platform that will get you real feedback on whatever you want. You will be able to run a survey on this website and you will get real feedback from real people. The first step you need to undertake is to build a survey. Whether you need help deciding between images, text, or anything, our system will walk you through setting up your survey in a few easy steps. It's noteworthy that this site offers awesome customer support, and setting up the survey will be very easy. The next step from there would be to select what kind of people you want to target. People from just the US, from just a few specific countries, and so on. And from there, with that done, you will be able to get a detailed report, as is said right here. Now, with all of that said, guys, as we are here to make money and we don't want feedback of any sort, we will not want to create any types of surveys for people to complete. We want to make money instead. As all of you can guess by now, we will want to make money here by completing those surveys indeed. And the great part about this website and completing surveys through it is that they will always be different and actually fun. The main reason being is that every single person who needs feedback on something will build a different kind of survey. So every single survey you complete on this site will be totally unique, making every single one much more fun than would otherwise be the case. To start making money with this platform by completing surveys, all you need to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page here, click on Become a Tester right over here, and on the next page, you will need to apply to become a tester on this site by typing in your full name and email address and then clicking on Submit below. It's noteworthy that you probably won't get accepted right away, but it's worth waiting a bit since this site is by far one of the best sites for completing surveys since, as I mentioned before, they are very much unique. Once you do get accepted, you'll be able to make a decent amount of money online and with ease.